Hey guys, it's your girl Kanisha and I am back with another video. This video is an update on how to make cash envelopes. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Let's jump right into this video. It is long overdue since the last time I did a tutorial on creating cash envelopes, but this time I decided to put a little spin on it and do one for the men. Yeah, I had to do one for the men because they want to be out here budgeting too and want to have nice creative things as well. So what I did, I went in and designed these gorgeous men. Y'all, they are so gorgeous to me. So what I'm doing right now is I started off the video and I started off making these envelopes, and then I just decided to go ahead and record them so you guys can see me do them step by step. And here I am cutting them after I printed them off. And I went in, and what I do is I fold the envelopes by corners, and I'm just going to speed up the video here just a few minutes and get everything cut, and then I will go back and show you all how I actually fold the envelopes. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload content. And leave me a comment on what you think about these envelopes for men. Do you think they will be a big hit or no? I am very interested in what you all will think of these. So here I am showing the silver line that I use to measure to cut. I know someone asked me on a previous video that I have for my cash envelope what I line it up with, but it's like a silver metal thingy in between there, and I'm not sure if they all come like this, but mine did, and that is what helps me line up my envelopes to get them cut on the right spot. So I hope that is helpful for the lady that asked for that clarification. I kind of put my finger in there and tried to move it so she can actually see it, but I'm not sure if they all come like this. So we are getting the rest of these cut, and I am actually not going this fast. Like I said, I speed the video up, but it did take me actually 40 minutes from start to finish to complete these envelopes, and it was a total of 16 envelopes. I normally make these on 15 designs at a time, or maybe 3 designs each. That way I can place 3 envelopes in each laminating pouch. So I normally do like 15, do it by the 3s. But this specific set has 16, so it'll be 1 off, and I'll show you guys how I actually did that last one. And yeah, so we are at the end of it, y'all. We got everything cut, and I'm gonna go back and let's get to folding these envelopes. So what I do, like I said, I just go corner to corner and fold them, and then I flip it over and go to the other corner and then just smooth them out. That way I can make sure they are creased evenly. Now you may be able to go down and do your envelopes different, just but this is a way that I can be sure that they are folded evenly and no white area is left showing. And I do want to know what you all think about, the background. I did put a little pinkish and blue and yellows in there. And I just want to know what you all think of that. Do y'all think that is not a good look for the men, or what. I do have a background that I created that has a little red in it and a darker blue and black. But I did go with this kind of pinkish color because I think it kind of set it off as far as a graffiti wall. And that was the thing that I was going for. It's kind of a decorative wall. So I did show how I did one of the transaction boxes on the back. It was kind of blue. It was a blue color. And I'm not sure if I wanted to go with that blue color or leave it yellow. And I only printed one with that blue transaction box on the back. So here I am. I'm just going through and smoothing them down with the scissors. And you can see how it's open. It's not closed all the way. So I just go ahead and just take the extra step and smooth it down. That way it looks better when I'm laminating it. When I'm not laminating, it takes out a lot of those bubbles when you're doing that. So here I am. I'm pulling out my laminating sheets, and I am just going to show you how I place them in here. And it's the same way that I placed them in the last video because I like to save material. And, this using 3-in-1 pouch is what works for me. I already have my laminating machine heating up, and I have that heating, and I always use that on 5 mil as far as my heat. The envelope pouches, the laminated pouches that I'm using now are 3 mil, but I always do the 5 mil when I am heating them up, just because I like that extra heat, I guess. Nothing in specific that you have to do. You can use a 3 mil and it'll still seal them the same exact way. So we have everything sealed in, and I have this one extra here, which is eating out. And I'm just going to take him and place him in a extra piece of pouch that I cut off when I was doing another project. And that way I don't waste anything, y'all. Not nothing. I do not waste. So here I am pulling out my laminating machine, and the foot on my machine is broke. So what I do is I use these little envelope boxes that I have, and I kind of prop it up just to hold that arm up. I don't know if I'm going to call it an arm or a foot or whatever, but it is broke, and I refuse to buy another laminated machine until this one just totally quits on me. So I just crossed my fingers in hopes that this would not slide. And what did it do, y'all? Just because I'm on this video, it slid and it kind of got stuck. So I had to kind of snatch it up out of there. And I was hoping that I did not tear up my laminating machine, because I'm like, hey, I'm not in the mood to buy nothing else. So here I am looking like I am just stuffing the envelopes in here, y'all, because it will not feed through for some reason, and I am getting frustrated. So here I am. I just let me try to go at another angle. So I lifted the foot a little bit, and it went in, and it went through just fine. But I just really thought I just broke it with that last envelope that I sent through, because it did get stuck because the sheet slid off, and I said it would do this during this video. But then here I am, I'm going to slide these through, but then I'm going to just reach over and grab a sticker book and just put it up under there just to level it out, because for some reason it seems like it is lower. So I just popped in one of my sticker books that I had nearby, and it did what it needed to do as far as leveling it off, y'all. It was perfect. So I just put those in there, and I just kind of held that last envelope so it would not slide, because I didn't know if I had it up too high. I did not want it to slide closer to the other envelopes, and then I would have to cut them and then relaminate them again. But I will show you all how I actually fix them when I do have one that messes up. So that first one that I put through actually worked out, because it will show that I don't have to necessarily reprint that envelope, but you can always go in and fix them if something does go wrong. But this is an order for someone, so I am going to reprint that last envelope because it did mess up in a way that I was just not happy with. I could not fix it. So this is also just another little learning experience for you all to show how I actually fix a lot of my things. So I got everything laminated. So I went in and I was just going to cut off that extra access to the envelope that I messed up, and that will from showing the keep it from bubbling up. Cut off the access, that way nothing is showing. That way you can laminate the entire envelope over again. But as you all can see, the envelope slid, and it has that part right there that didn't get laminated at all. So I am going to reprint this and redo it, but I am going to show you how just for the time's sake for this video, to show you how I'm just going to take that same envelope and put it back in a pouch again, and it laminates the same exact way. So just in case you cut off too much of the envelope and you cut that bubble, you can always go back and relaminate it. It'll be a thicker because it is laminated twice. So this is like on a 6 mil for this one, because I took the 3 and the 3, and it's kind of double up on the 3 mil and laminate that. But I'm just going to go ahead and roll with it for the sake of the envelope. So I did adjust my lighting so I can see when I am cutting, and that way I won't hit those bubbles and pop those open. So, and I always run every envelope back through the laminating machine once I cut them, just to be sure they are, just to give it an extra seal. So this is how I cut everything, and I just go in and make sure I'm not popping those bubbles. And we just pop them right back in the machine. And here I am showing how you can just slide your money in the process of the cash envelope. Just in case you are new to the process of budgeting or cash stuffing, what you can use these for, you can just slide your money in as each category allow what you're saving for. And one thing that I am going to go in and change is I am going to make that font bigger. I was not satisfied with the font being so small, but it was nothing that I noticed when I was creating the envelopes. Because of the font, I didn't want it to be that big. It looked okay when I was designing it, but when I printed them out, I just feel like it needs to be a little bit bigger. And for these particular envelopes, I did not think about, what it would look like as far as leaving them blank. I did do the box black, but I think when I do the blank ones, I will leave those kind of, I guess I'll make it a bluish color. It'll be a lighter color that way, in case you want to write something in those boxes. That way it'll, just fit your needs. But overall, I think these came out to be, they were prettier than what I thought they would be. And hopefully this will help guys to, want to budget just like we do and using these cash envelopes. I know they probably won't take them out to the stores, but at least they'll be able to save the money. And when they get ready to go out, they can either put it in their wallet or even in their savings, like online banking savings, just for, and I did this one just for the bills. I didn't do it for everyday spending for these. And I am currently working on getting some savings challenges books for men as well, y'all. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I really had fun doing these envelopes. I was really excited. I was going to do a tutorial on some more envelopes that I had to get done, but I just feel like I like these. But I think I'm going to do a make a order with the other envelopes, just a pack of order video with those envelopes, because I guess this would be a do an order with me as well. But I'm just gonna make this the tutorial because we need an update because I haven't did one in a while, and these are so vibrant. The colors were so vibrant. I thought this would be the perfect video to put up for the tutorial, y'all. And here we are. We got everything laminated and cut, and look at them, y'all. Look at them go. They are gorge. They are gorge. Especially my one that says spending, y'all. He is so gorgeous to me. He is so gorgeous, but I think I'm going to go and design more with the lower cut or some more with dreads as well. But yes. So here I am. I am hole punching them using my Agenda 52. I picked up this hole puncher from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, y'all. This is still in the game. And I must say this is great quality. So I am just going through and just getting everything hole punch and getting ready to package them up. And like I said, it only took me a total of 40 minutes to get everything done. And I'm just going to spread them back out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something from this video. Let me know down in the comment what you all think. And you know, as always, queens, I want you to be blessed. Look at them. Bye.